So guys, this is my Earth task 18, in which we have to create an EC2 instance and install WordPress application on top of it. And for the back, this is the front end, and for the back end, we have to attach a RDS service of AWS, which provide database engines for the backend purpose. So I am using two automation tools. First is Terraform, which is used to deploy the AWS RDS service. It will automatically launch, and this is the code for it. So, and I'm using Ansible. This is the deployment tool, and Ansible is the configuration management tool. So this is the folder, and these are the files. So this will create the EC2 instance and configure it and install WordPress on top of it, whereas this Terraform will install the RDS service, and automatically I have done some code which will automatically connect them. So we will see. So first we will create the RDS service. So this is the command Terraform init. First we will be installing plugins. So now uh, we will create the RDS. So this command will create. So this is the main file which is calling my this file, and this is the variable file which has some credentials for connecting to the WordPress, and I'm using these three variables inside this. And this is the file I will be creating with the details of the required credentials. So it is better to see the output from the created file. So side by side we can also create this our Ansible instance. So Ansible playbook setup.yml. So this is the command to create EC2 instance. We will be seeing these files. So first we will see this file, what is in this. So I'm installing some libraries, Python libraries, and creating a security group. So this module is used to create the security group. I'm giving port 22 for SSH, port 80 for web server, and on top of it I'm creating this instance using this module EC2 count1. This is the ID. This is the type of T2 macro, like 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM in this region, and this is the security group name which is creating here, and I have attached a key 123. I have created this key before, and these are the credentials of my AWS account, which is been stored in ec2.ini file. So this is the file. So uh, let us see if it is creating or not. It's been waiting. You see. So as we can see that this our database instance has been created. You can see 4 added, and we can also see in the VM like 4 has been done, 1 is changed. Like this security group was created, so it has been, due to idempotence it has not created the other one, and instance has been created. We can verify. So now our infrastructure, we can say like this, has been created, and a details file has been created. So this is the endpoint of my database, and I just have to give this we can say a string which is used to connect to my VM in the vars file, as these contain my credentials. So this is my variable file, so I just have to update this file, and hence our everything has been done. We just have to configure now. Playbook.yml. This is the file which will be installing. We will discuss first. We can create Ansible playbook.yml. So it has been created. We can see here vim play. So this is a file which will be installing some packages using your module. These are the packages I am installing for to deploy WordPress. So these packages will be installed, and some URL have been used in my vars file to install the to download the WordPress package. So it will download, and this will extract the WordPress package, and I'm stopping the firewall and starting the web server, and then I will be copying the extracted file to my var www html. These all are the variable. This is the variable. This URL is the variable we will see in the vars file. So I have this make Selenium permissive, so any error is not there while configuring it, and hence file this file is the main file which has the credentials of the database. So this also have been done initially only, otherwise we can do at runtime also. So let's see if it has been deployed or not. It has been doing, so we have to wait for a while. We can see till that vars.yml. So this is the vars.yml. This is the database URL. This is my database name. This is the password for this database, and username of this database, and this is the password for this database. So and destination is by www.html, as the default location for httpd web server is this, and this is the URL which will download the WordPress package to our instance. As these are the static only, so I have done written them in some variables and attach these variables in my play. So this packages has been installed. We can see changed. We can do SSH to my instance and see what has been done there. So ec2 dash user at the rate control. So sorry, I have to attach the key. Key 123. So this has been done. Let me go to settings. So sudo su dash. So this is my instance which has been created by Ansible. So we can see like this is the package has been downloaded from the URL, and this is the extracted package, and we have to copy this package to the var www html, but our Ansible has also done this, so we can go to that file www html. So this has been there. We can also list the items. So this is our file which has the credentials of my database. So we can remove this file also to see, like I can remove this. I'm this file. Wait. So I'm moving this to here to see. So this file has not been there in this now, so we will see the output. So actually we can see if there is. So this file has copied the credentials, so no need to do this. But if we don't give the credentials, so some other page comes. We can see in my medium. So if we don't give that credentials, this initial page comes in which you have to give the database and then username of the database, password of this database, and the endpoint here. So to skip this step, I have done given the credentials initially only for this step. Otherwise, if you don't give, then also it will work. But to make more automated, I have done this. Only this was the reason I have given the credentials before. So we can give our any AWS Earth Task 18 username. We can give any and password. I am giving this to one ak this. Okay, simple username also. Okay, install WordPress. So our WordPress has been installed. We can log in and password as the first one. So this is my dashboard of the WordPress. So we will create a post over here. So this page has already been created, but we can create a new post. So get started. Add title. First blog of task 18. Hello all. Task has been completed using Terraform and Ansible. So guys, you can see like I've done nothing, only just write a code and deploy it. Only two commands were required, two or three commands only. So we can publish. So guys, our post has been created. So we can see in the dashboard. So this post has been created. So now we will log in to our MySQL. So we can use MySQL minus post equal to this URL. So we have to remove this port number. Minus minus user equal to admin. Minus minus password equal to. So we can write our password admin 12345. So we are into the MySQL database. We can use show databases. So our DB name is MySQL DB. So we can use MySQL DB. Use MySQL DB. So show tables. So firstly we will see like we have created a user named Akhil and the password one. So we can use this table. So select star from wp underscore users. So this is the user created Akhil with some key, and this was the email ID I have given from this IP, and that's all. This is the time according to them, 8:57:38. User registered. So user password was this one, Akhil password. So this was also, now we can see our post is there or not. So show select star from wp underscore posts. So this is a huge list. So we have to actually extract some data from here, like we have done. So so here it is, like hello, all the task has been completed using Terraform and Ansible. I have written this, and a heading was maybe also there. Actually very difficult to find. This is the line, first blob of earth task 18. This is the first blob of earth task 18. So this was the task given to us, and this is the proof, like our database, everything has been stored in our database. So this was all. So thank you.